Alright, so here's a Rheem air conditioner. The last Rheem air conditioner at the same property. Holy crap, that is blowing a ton of hot air out of that thing. Yeah, it's a Rheem. 2008, but I don't know how many tonnage this is because that's faded right here. Yeah, 2008. That's probably a 90,000 BTU or something, or 75. And dude, holy crap, that is blowing a ton of hot air, man. I'm not even joking. That is really hot. It's got a really nice install at least. Surprise! This one has a reciprocating. Holy crap, that one has a reciprocating. I'm not even joking. Fan was not even that noisy at least. It's got an all-tack fan motor, which is the new one. The other one has been replaced. Here's a old through-the-wall AC unit that has condensate dripping. Yeah, totally have no idea what that is. But yeah, the Rheem in that unit right there is the only ones I can find. I've been finding more units today. No joke, Doc. Okay, guys, no joke, but this one has a reciprocating. That is probably a Copeland reciprocating. All right, 2008, 7.5 ton or 90,000 BTU Rheem, and a vintage or an old window unit. I guess over and out.